At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, June 2, 2023, dear Mullen stock fans, mark your calendars for June 26. Mullen stock's failure to trade above $1 carries negative consequences. Mullen Automotive could soon be booted from the Russell 2000 index. The index requires a minimum price of $1 on its rank day, which occurred on April 28. Mullen stock traded below $1 on April 28, while Mullen initiated a 1-for-25 reverse stock split on May 4. It appears that shares of Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, will soon be removed from the Russell 2000 index. According to FTSE Russell, the provider of the index, stocks must have a closing price of at least $1 on the rank day in order to be eligible for inclusion. If an existing member's price is less than $1 on rank day, it may still be considered eligible if the average daily closing price over the past 30 days is $1 or greater. This year, the rank day fell on April 28, which was before Mullen initiated a 1-for-25 reverse stock split on May 4. Before adjusting for the reverse split, Mullen closed at about 7.6 cents on April 28. Its average closing price during the 30 days prior to April 28 did not exceed $1. Mullen stock at risk of Russell 2000 removal. Mullen's removal from the Russell 2000 would mean that the index, and any variances of the index, would have to sell out of their position in Mullen stock. Based on data from Fintel, the iShares Russell 2000 ETF owns 22.04 million shares, the iShares Russell 2000 Growth ETF owns 7.71 million shares, and the iShares Microcap ETF owns 2.20 million shares. On June 5, FTSE will initiate a lockdown period in which all updates to the index reconstitution are considered to be final. After that, all reconstitutions will be final on June 23, while the Russell 2000 index will begin trading with its new constituents as of the market open on June 26. Meanwhile, Mullen's inclusion on the Nasdaq exchange seems to be at risk as well. Despite trading above $1 for 10 consecutive business days, Mullen is still listed on Nasdaq's non-compliant companies list. In a press release, the electric vehicle company noted that it was awaiting confirmation from Nasdaq that it meets Nasdaq's requirements for continued listing as a result thereof. However, Nasdaq states that it may, in its discretion, require companies to trade above $1 for more than 10 consecutive business days, but generally less than or equal to 20 consecutive business days, in order to regain compliance. Factors that the exchange considers include, but are not limited to, the margin of compliance, trading volume, the market maker montage, and price trend. If Mullen still remains non-compliant, it has until September 5 to regain compliance or risk being delisted from the exchange. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.